Now similarly, 64 in dex form can be written as 64. You have to write 64. How we will write 64? Like we will take LCM. You have to divide it on any number. You can divide it on 2, 3, 4, 5, any number on which to go. I will start from 2. When I will divide it with 2, it will become 32. Then again on 2, it will become 16. Again on 2, it will become 8. Again on 2, 4. Again on 2, 2. Again on 2, 1. Till 1 becomes, you have to do it like this. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. How many times 2 is written? 6 times. So it can be written as 2 raised to power 6. Similarly, you can do this. 1000 in index form can be written as, in power form 1000. 1000 can be written as two ways. You can write like 10 into 10 into 10, that is also 1000. You can write 10 raised to power 3, or like this you can also write 1000 is divisible on table of 2, 500. Again table of 2, it is 250. Again table of 2, it is 125. Again table of 5, it is 25. Again table of 5, it is 5. Again table of 5, it is 1. 2 raised to power 3 and 5 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power 3. Power is same. You can say 2 into 5 raised to power 3. When power is same, you can take common the power, and basis you can multiply. So again it will become 10 raised to power 3. You can also write it like 2 into 2 raised to power 3 or into 5 raised to power 3, or you can directly write it 10 raised to power 3. 7 raised to power 4 is read as, what I am saying, 7 raised to power 4. So I am reading it 7 raised to power 4. It is SCAVEN. 5 raised to power 5. What I am saying, 5 raised to power 5. Now some rules I am telling you. The first rule is when bases are same and multiplication is there, then powers, or you can say index, powers will be added. Example I am giving. Suppose 5 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 3 is written. Bases are same. It is also 5. It is also 5. We call it bases. And in between multiplication is there. Then base you will write once, and you will add up the powers. So what you can write it, 5 raised to power 5. Similarly, second is when bases are same with division, then powers will be subtracted. Same example I will tell you. Suppose it is 6 raised to power 2 divided by 6 raised to power 1. Base you will write 1 and powers will be subtracted. 6 raised to power 1 means 6 you will write only once. And the one rule is, anything raised to power 0 is 1. 100 raised to power 0 means 1. 500 raised to power 0 means 1. 2 raised to power 0 means 1. Base will also deleted, power will also deleted. Simply you will write 1. These were the main points that you will keep in mind.